it's OhioJimbo, and I've got a great song for you. This is so simple, so easy, so cute. It's a great song that ages know it, and I grew up hearing it on the radio, but a whole new generation was introduced through Hollywood. But this is The Lion Sleeps Tonight. It's 3 chords, 3 very easy chords. If you know a D, that's the D. You know a G, and you know an A. That's the 3 chords. It's so simple and it's so fun. So the challenging part of this song is the vocals. I don't have them, you might have them, but I can show you that when you're kind of chanting this Wimoweh, the Wimoweh is meaning you are the lion, okay? That's a translation, loosely translated. Don't Google that on me because you'll probably come back and yell something at me, but that's what I understand. And when you're saying Wimoweh, it's the Wimoweh ends in a hard instead of a Wimoweh. It's Wimoweh. And anyway, if you're doing that, it kind of is like count off the numbers. So you're you hear it? So, and if you watch that, the strumming pattern alone is just something that you'll feel the rhythm as you're playing the song. It's kind of got this fun bounce to it. And if you're doing it a little bit slower, so you just down and up and down and up and down, that's an easy way to do it. But you can also, using your fingers, as I've shown you in other videos, you can kind of come up, and that kind of gives a completely different bounce to it. But I'm going to suggest you stay with the simple chords, the D, the G, and the A. So when you're doing this, and it's kind of hard to do this without getting into too many of the lyrics because they carry this song, but if you're in the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. Just go through those 3 simple chords, get the lyrics down. You can find the lyrics anywhere, they're out there, and try to sing along with it or have someone else sing it. Now, here's another trick to it. Many people have this capoed up on the 3rd fret. Find your vocal range. It doesn't matter because even if you capo up, then you can actually still do the exact same shape of chords, and those chords will work in that newer fret. Now, they're not because I don't have the capo on it. But it's capoed as it was, I guess, originally written up on the 3rd fret. So, but I play it down here because it's just a G, G, and an A. And they're not in that order, so it's D, G, D, A, D, G, D, A. And you can stay in that A and then get into the What a cute song. Ages like it from young to old. They all like that song. It's a great one to get out there and play. It's like a Jimmy Buffett's Jolly Mon or something. Very simple. But this one is timeless because the Tokens did it back in the holy cow, probably the 60s. Someone find out that date for me. Leave it in the comments below. But anyway, that's the simplicity of this song. What a fun song it is. I hope you enjoy it. 3 simple chords, another one to add to the repertoire. When you pull that out of the campfire and start saying those words and you start saying, in the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight, everybody's going to sing it along with you. It's a fun song and it's harmless. So enjoy it. And if you can get those 3 chords, you're going to be fine. And I'll leave these 3 chords at the end of the video so you can actually see what they are. The D, the G, D, and A. Over and over and over. Sing the lyrics, hum the song. Everybody will be singing along with you. It's a great one to do. And I tell you, it is one of those that will make you look like a champion. So I think that's pretty easy, an easy lesson right there for you. So until the next time, if I don't see you out there in the jungle, I'll see you in here.